We'll guide you through how to fix the Sheets tab missing in Excel. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel, and if I go and look at the bottom, I can't go and see my different sheets here. I know for sure in this document there are lots of others and I want to go and switch between them, but I can't go and see them. So let's go and fix this, as it can make some documents even unusable and you may think you've lost loads of data, but don't worry, let's get started. So what you need to do is head to the top left of Excel and click File. Now go down to the bottom left and you want to go and click on Options and you'll get this pop-up. Come over to the side menu and select Advanced. Find the section Display Options for this workbook, and then what you need to do is select Show Sheet Tabs. Now you can go and press OK, and as you can see, all my sheets have now appeared at the bottom. And now I can go and switch between them and go and use them. So don't worry, your data is not lost. Please consider subscribing and liking the video.